been a long time, like a long time. But as y'all know by the title, we are doing tape ins. So I'm gonna show y'all how I installed these tape ins. She did have 80 pieces, so these what her tape ins looked like. They were jet black, and I believe they were 26 inches, if I'm not mistaken. I totally forgot. But anyways, y'all see how thick they are. I'm not sure her density of the tape ins, but yeah. Anyways, let's get into this blow dry. Y'all know y'all gotta blow dry the hair out real good in order to get a great silk press, and we need a good silk press for a good tape in install. So that's what I'm about to do now, and then I'm going to trim her. Be sure y'all subscribe to my channel, like and comment, because I want to know what other types of YouTube videos I should upload. I'm not sure if I should do a wig install, lock retwist, or what, but just let me know how y'all like the video. Right here, I just showed her what her hair looked like before I trimmed her, so that she can know what her length was looking like and how much, split ends or damage or thin areas she did have. I believe she haven't had I believe she didn't have a silk press in about 4 years, if I'm not mistaken. I forgot exactly what she said, but it's been a minute, so this is going to be her first silk press that she's had in a while. Right here, I'm just going through and I'm trimming out her ends. She didn't have that much damage or split ends that she needed trimmed off, but we did give it to her because we need her tape in installation to be, good as possible. Like, we're promoting healthy hair over here, but I am going to list all the products that I did use in a description box below, as well as my hot tools, so y'all can be there for that. And I will list where she got her tape ins from if you guys want to get your tape ins where she got them from. Just like with the wig install, the hair doesn't need to be very oily where the adhesives want to be, so at the roots of her hair, you don't need to apply little to nothing. Like when it comes to heat protectant serum, you can just leave that towards the ends of her hair, because it's going to mess with how the tape is going to adhere and stick together. Let's get into this press. Like, it looks so good. Her hair was healthy, her ends was trimmed. I did go back through at the end and just clean up her trim a little bit, but not too much, because I did a great job when I trimmed her after her blow dry. But I'm just going through to show y'all how good her silk press looked. You're gonna do now, you're gonna part her in 3 sections. I did a horseshoe, and then I did a middle part. So the back area is where you're gonna have your most tape ins, will have the most tape ins at. So don't worry about the front area once you get to the front, because I promise you I only put probably like 12 or if that on each side of her head in the front. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna use your comb and you're gonna place it on her scalp, and if you can pull the hair up and see the comb, the middle piece of the rat tail comb, that means you need to leave out more hair. Everybody's head and hair is different, so it just depends on the density and the length of the person you're doing. So it'll be different based on their length and density. So as you can see, I'm just taking my time and going through to make sure that I don't see the rat tail piece of the comb, because if I do, we're not going to be able to pull this up in a ponytail. Towards the side, you're going to see that I left out hair as well. It's because I want her to be able to have a half up, half down if she wanted to. So if you want your clients to be able to have that as well, you can do the same. Instead of just doing straight across the nape area, you can go up towards the sides. Now you're just going to pull out a thin slice so that you can start your installing your tape ends. I like to place my tape in on the top first, the first tape on the top of the hair, so that it can grab all the hair that I need it to grab, and then I'm going to lift all those tapes up and place my bottom tape in so that I can make, you know, the sandwich. I did use my fingers. I did not use the pliers, the tape in pliers, to install her tape ins. Your fingers will get the job done as much as the pliers, or you can use a cold flat iron. I did use it throughout the video, so you're going to see me use my flat irons here and there, but for the most part I did use my fingers. She had about 80 pieces as well, so it was enough. When we finished, she probably had like 4 pieces left over. And you're going to need 2 tapes per sandwich because you're trying to put her hair, her natural hair, in between it. You don't need that many strands of hair in between it. Whatever the top tape in grab, that's all you need. Pull out the excess hair and go ahead to your next section. Right here, you're going to see me actually putting on my bottom tape ins, and you don't need to place the top tape in on the scalp because it's going to pull into on the hair and the scalp as well. take your time because you want to make sure you have a nice, neat installation. You don't want anything to be pulling, tugging on the scalp, taping shown. Because if you do what you need to do, you're going to have a great install. The back of her hair, you can see that it's very full and you can't differentiate, any line of demarcation from her natural hair and where the tape ends are. I'm pulling it up into a ponytail so you guys can see. I did go back through and get her nape area a little bit more straightened, but I had just wanted to go ahead and start the process. So, but y'all see how flat that looks? It look real good. Real good. Section, section and right section. I did place her tape-ins diagonally so that she's able to pull her hair into a ponytail, or towards the back in a ponytail, however she want to place her ponytail. But I did place them diagonally so that you won't be able to see the tape-ins. Look how good her tape-ins look, y'all. It looks so good. She will be able to wear her hair in a half up, half down, a back ponytail, top knot ponytail, side part or middle part. But I will show y'all how it looks in the side part and the middle part at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Off camera, I did cut layers in her hair, but I did that so they can have a lot more body for her curls. But as you can see, this is the finished results, and it's giving everything it needs to be giving. I really love the middle part on her, and the side part did look cute as well.